I found this product in 10 minutes. There's still so many product opportunities out there. So I'm going to show you exactly how I found this product. So earlier this week, I started a brand new fresh product research to see if I can find any products for me to sell. And this is the exact method that I used this week to actually find these. I found my product within 10 minutes and I found this product within 10 minutes. So I wanted to show you exactly how to do it. I want to show you just how easy it can be and how many products are actually out there that you can find and you can sell on Amazon and you can make money with. Let's quickly dive into this. Let's move me out of the way. I've just selected a couple of categories within the US. So I've selected baby, home and kitchen, kitchen and dining, office products and pet supplies. So all I did is within Jungle Scout, I picked a product criteria. And by the way, if you don't know what this is the Jungle Scout web app. I have a link in the description. I also use the Jungle Scout extension, buy the cheapest version. Make sure you check that out. Within product tier, I selected standard and moved on. So within the filters, I wanted to make sure that it's $15 and above, that they're making 300 sales a month as a minimum. The reviews are less than 50, so we can see that lower social proof still sells. The average rating for the product is 4.5 or above, so we know the quality of the product is good. We don't need to do too much to the product. And the idea here is to do a bundling method if we can. And the maximum weight is £2, so we know that the shipping is going to be relatively cheap. We also want to make sure that the size of the product is relatively small, so the shipping is cheap. So all I did is hit search and these results came out straight away. So the first thing I found was this one here. It's a baby burp cloth. It's $15.95. It weighs 0.68 pounds, which will cost you next to nothing to get over to the US. With only 7 reviews, they are able to make 363 sales a month, which is giving them a revenue of $5,789. Now this is only for this product here. So what I did is I did a quick search on baby burp cloths on Amazon.com. And as you can see, there are 9,000 results. So it might be slightly competitive, but if you have a competitive edge and you bundle your product, you'll be able to rank super quickly. So all I did is type in baby burp cloths. I used the Jungle Scout Chrome extension, ran the numbers. My laptop is getting hot, so if you hear a fan, sorry about that. And I clicked on revenue, just to order it by revenue. So I come down here to find a review that's less than 50. And as you can see, there's one right here, 39 reviews. They're selling 1,310 units a month at $21.95. And they're generating a revenue of $28,755 a month. So if you round that up, they're taking $30,000 a month. And I found that super quick. I found that in 10 minutes. In fact, it might have been less. So what you can see here is that they're selling 5 baby burp cloths, which are grey. The size is relatively large, and that might be the reason why they're doing really well. I haven't actually had a chance to go and find out how much this product costs to buy, but that's how easy it is to find a product. Now, if that's not enough for you, if you scroll down further, there's one here for 63 reviews. They're selling 1,862 a month for $12.99, $24,187. Now, I wouldn't go for this because of the price, but I would try and find out what I can do to improve this product or what I can add to this product. You could add a 5th baby burp cloth and do the exact same thing. So if we go down further, there's one here, 42 reviews generating 15,500. They're selling 707 a month and for $21.95. Again, it's, look, grayish baby burp cloths. They are large and it's actually the same company. Look, they're very new. So they've come into the market and they're absolutely killing it. So they bought these 2 products, and actually as a total, you're looking at 48,000 in revenue. I see so many people on Facebook groups really struggling to find products, and I just wanted to show you that it's this simple to find products that are profitable, that would make you, and this could be you, that would make you $30,000 a month. Hopefully this video gives you belief that there are still hundreds and hundreds and hundreds of products out there that you're able to make money from. Make sure you get a list of like 5 to 10 products, analyze them against each other, and then go ahead with the one that's most viable or suitable for you. Obviously with this product I'd have to do a few other checks to make sure that this is the right product, but just to get you started and get you going and give you the belief that there are products out there that can make you money. If you found this video useful, make sure you like it, make sure you share it with somebody who might be struggling with product research. All the links that you need are in the description. We have a Facebook group, link in the description as usual. Make sure you come and join us. If you have any questions whatsoever, make sure you ask them below. I will be answering every single one of those questions. Have a super amazing day and I will see you next time. I found this product in 10 minutes.